Alright, these will be the elevators here at the Hampton Inn off US 27 in Davenport, Florida. And we have some 1990s Otis Series 1s to ride. Take out the 5. Fifth floor. Back on the 1, door close button works. Pretty basic elevators for a Hampton Inn, nothing too exciting. These are your Series 1 buttons, certificates, phone, capacity is 2500, this is elevator number 1, along with your floor indicator. Drawer back at 1. A little bit of classic only, but not much. We'll send this car upstairs to 5, we'll get the R elevator. Now we're going to try to ride the right car. And here's this elevator. Chimes don't work on these. Get the 5. Here we're back at 5. Back down to 1. Get door close button works. We all like that. Here's the cabin view, same as the R elevator. Very basic for Hampton Inn. These are your Series 1 buttons, certificate, phone, floor indicator, elevator number 2, capacity is 2500. And you're back at 1. No classic leveling in this elevator. I'm going to shut the door and start the motor. This car has a better motor too. Listen to the motor. And here we're back at 5. Like I said, that car there has the better motor too. There goes the elevator. While people get a quick view. Nothing much to see. You can kind of see Interstate 4 down there. Got a apartment building out in the distance as well, about some shops and stuff. And you can see US 27 as well. That right there used to be a Comfort Inn, now it's not. Behind those trees is a Holiday Inn Express. Holiday Inn or Holiday Inn Express, one of the two. And down there is somebody sitting on the bench, and not sure what that is. Not sure that's like a patio or something. Your Coca-Cola vending machine, ice dispenser. Get a peek at the guest floor foyers. Alright, let's go back down the elevator and end the video. Like I said, none of the chimes don't work on these elevators. Back down to 1. And here we're back to 1. Not the most exciting elevators, but they definitely seem a bit worn out. And that'll be it.